Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make Ihop Chocolate Chocolate Chip Pancakes. To a sifter, we're going to add 2 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to sift that in. Now that we got that all sifted together and I made a mess, we're going to add in 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. And we're going to whisk it together. Now it's time to clean up a little bit and then make pancakes. To a non-stick pan that we've heated up, we're going to spray with some cooking spray, and we're going to make the pancakes with 1/3 cup at a time. We're going to cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. Before we get ready to flip, we're going to sprinkle in some chocolate chips, and then give it a flip. And then we're going to cook that side for about 2 minutes. Once it's done, we'll take it out and we'll continue until all our pancake batter has been turned into pancakes. Now we're going to plate them up to a plate, or however many you want. Chocolate over my hand. We're going to garnish with some chocolate chips, some chocolate syrup, and some canned whipped cream. And now it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's chocolate pancakes. What could be wrong with that? Now, if you bought everything for this recipe, it cost you about $35. But this made 18 pancakes. You go to Ihop to get an order of these 4 pancakes, it's $15. So you make this twice, and you have fed 9 people and only spent $30. It's worked out to be, with one, if you break it down, it worked out to be about 80 cents a pancake. That's $3. So $3.20 for one order of pancakes. That would spend $15 at IHOP. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.